Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you Lego building techniques only the experts know. So I'll be showing you how to make each one, and let's go. So the first technique is actually this. It's just like a perfectly smooth slope like that. And normally it'd look like that with bumps, but this one is completely smooth. And if you look at it, these are just the same mini slopes type things that are on this. But this one has knot bricks right here that make it whatever this is, like half a plate higher. So it's completely smooth. So that's this one. So this one right here is actually half a plate tall. So if I look at this tile right here, it's half of that right there. And how this is done is if I pull off the side right here, you can see there's a snot brick right there holding another snot brick. It's kind of like the other one that we saw. Just a half a plate right there. And that's how it works. So that's this one. So this one right here is this weird pattern. It looks like the National Geographic logo kind of, but it uses snot bricks also just right here. And it's just, there's tiles on both sides right. Oh, that's a plate right there, and there's a tile, and then a plate, and then another tile. So 2 tiles and 2 plates. And then this one right here is kind of the same type of thing, except there's a slope in it right there. And these could be like a carpet or something on the ground like this, and that'd be a cool idea for them. So right here is 2 ways to build upside down. So this one right here is just a snot brick with another snot brick. Snot bricks are really useful, so right there just looks like that. And then this other one, 2 snot bricks also with a 1x1 plate right there. And I'll go more in depth with these when I do the tutorials on them. So for the mini slope technique, you need these pieces right here for now. So you just get one of these. You can also use the one, the piece that's like half of this, cut in half through the middle if you want to make it thinner. But you just put a 1x2 right there on it, like that. And then these go right here on it, like that. And then you gotta repeat this, like that, however many times you want it to be long. So for this, just twice, 2 of those. And now it's kind of weird because you put, the first one you don't put any plate underneath, and then the second one you put 1 plate underneath, and the next one you put 2 plates underneath, and then the next one you put 1 plate. So if you were to continue this, it would go 1 plate, 2 plate, 1 plate, 2 plate, 1 plate, yeah. So now I'll be showing you how to build the half plate technique. So this one's really simple. You just grab one of these knot bricks and put it like this to one of these knot bricks, just like that. Really simple. And then you just have a 2x3 area, and that's 4 plates deep in the ground anywhere. And then you just stick it in there like that. And then you just put towel right there, I guess, and then you can put towel right there. And that's how it is. It's super simple. So for the technique where you get really thin lines, it's really simple, but so you know, 5 plates tall is equivalent to 2 plates wide. So that's that right there. And so to do this, all you want to do is just grab 5 plates tall like that, and then you just put it like that on a piece like that, and then you just put it in a 2x2 open area, and you just cover it up like that. Really simple. So yeah. So for the slope technique, this one's really really also. So you just grab 1 slope, and then you get the inverse of that slope. So that'd be this one right here, and then you just put 1x2 plate on the tops and bottoms of both of those, and then you just get bricks like this. You can go like this, and like that, and then like that. And then there is also a way to make it perfectly flush in the middle so there's no crack, like you can see throughout right there. So if we take off the top and bottom again, you can just grab this piece from the mini slope technique we used earlier, and you just want to go like this, and then you put this right there, and it's completely flush, no crack in the middle. So you can also do that if you want. So next I'll be showing you a few ways to build upside down. So this one right here is kind of like the half a plate technique, except instead of putting it up like that, you put it down, and if you put it down, it's flush with the bottom of the brick, and then you just put whatever bricks you want on either side of it. So in my case, it'd be plates right now, and got upside down. And then the other way to do it is you just grab one of these with the indented, make sure they're indented, and then you put another one right there on it, like that, and then you just get a 1x1 and put it on that one right there, it's facing down, and then you just put plates on either side of that too. So that is how you build upside down. Okay guys, that's it for the video. If you liked it, I have other tutorials just like this one on my channel, and as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell.